Hey guys, Tony here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a free keyword tool. Okay, so this keyword tool is called Keyword Intent. If you go to keywordintent.io, I'll show you why this is good. So I've done a search ahead of time so that you can see the results and we can play around with some of the things in here. Now what you can see here is that we have got the ability to do filters with specific keywords that must be in the title, for example, how many words in a keyword phrase, and also with the maximum minimum volumes, and even to exclude some keywords as well. And plus we can export the data as well. Now here's what I like about this tool. I've typed in here affiliate marketing. Okay, now the first result I've got is affiliate marketing. Next, you can see we're getting related keywords, and this can help you to find angles. I mean, CPA marketing is not exactly affiliate marketing, but it's giving us these different angles that we can see. And I like this because it can give us some insights that you might not have thought about before. Okay, and it's just a fantastic tool. It's simple, but it's very, very useful. So say for example, I want to create some content about affiliate marketing for beginners. Then I want to make sure I've got my main keyword in here. I'll checkbox that. I'll take this one here, affiliate marketing for beginners. I might want to do a section on Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, come down and ClickBank affiliate marketing. Something about affiliate programs, ClickBank for beginners. Let's see what else. Maybe CPA marketing for beginners, and affiliate marketing step by step, and affiliate marketing programs. So you can see how I'm using this Digistore 24, and I'm just basically plucking those that I think are going to be very, very good for that piece of content that I'm going to do. Okay, so high ticket affiliate marketing, 12,000 search volume, etc., etc. And this one for beginners 2021, okay, I'll take that. And also I'll take the affiliate marketing program and the YouTube one. Okay, so now I've got all these, what I can do is I can copy them to clipboard. Okay, and what I can do from here is use another tool, and this is one of my tools. I'll just bring this over. And you can see here, this is called the Vid Optimizer. Now I can use this to create content for WordPress, for Chrome extension descriptions, for articles, anything really. But it's designed really for YouTube marketers. But anyway, what I can do is I can click on here in imported keywords, and I can click up here to add my keywords now that I found them, and add them in here. And you can see they're down here at the bottom. And all I need to do is start to add content around these keywords. Okay, if I add those keywords, you can see it turns green. So I can just start to write some sentences, and what I'm doing is I'm writing for humans, but I'm making sure I insert my keywords so that we can get traffic from more keywords. Okay, very, very simple, but very, very powerful. So this is from the traffic tip series. Just keep an eye out on more videos for this. And the keyword tool, it's called Keyword Intent, and keywordintent.io is the URL. It's free to use. Go and check it out. It's good. It's very, very good. Thanks.